and girls, welcome back to math. Now, the other day we learned about adding two-digit numbers by using tens and ones. Today we are going to talk about adding two-digit numbers by using the strategy of breaking apart the numbers into their place value. So let's get started. My first problem is 36 plus 42 equals blank. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break apart the numbers by their place value. So I'm going to add up the tens together, and then I am going to add up the ones together. So, if I have 36 plus 42, I want 30 plus 40 is what I'm thinking about in my head. 30 plus 40. So I do 30 plus 40. What does 30 plus 40 equal? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Good job. 30 plus 40 equals 70. Then I'm ready to add up my ones. And I have 6 plus 2. So I do 6 plus 2, which equals, that's right, 8. Now I have to add up both these numbers together. So I add up 70 plus 8. 70 plus 8. And the answer is going to be 78. So the sum of 36 plus 42 equals 78. Now sometimes, boys and girls, you might see it like this, of 30 plus 40 equals 70, 6 plus 2 equals 8, and then you'll write it like this. Other times, boys and girls, the way that we might write it, or that I might write it, is using something called parentheses. And I do expanded form. 36 is the same as saying 30 plus 6. In expanded form in these parentheses. Then I'm going to add my 42. And again, I'm going to do it in expanded form. 40 plus 2 in parentheses as well. Then I take my tens and I add my tens. 30 plus 40 and then I do it with my ones. 6 plus 2. And then I have 30 plus 40 equals 70, plus 6 plus 2 equals 8, which equals 78. It can be written either way. All right, let's do another one. Okay, here I have the digits 54 plus 35. So I'm going to break it apart by their place value. 50 plus 30 gives me what? What is 50 plus 30? I can count by 10. Start at 50, 60, 70, 80. 50 plus 30 is 80. Then I'm ready to do 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 is, that's right, 9. So now I am ready to do 80 plus 9. And what does that get me? 80 plus 9 gets me 89. Great job, mathematicians. Here's another way you're going to see it written. Okay, it means the same thing. We're breaking it apart. In expanded form, 54 is 50 plus 4 plus 30 plus 5. And we're first going to add our tens. 50 plus 30 plus, then our ones, 4 plus 5. 50 plus 30 equals 80. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So our sum, or the answer to our problem, is going to be 80 plus 9, which equals 89. Let's do another one. Okay, guys. So, first we're going to look at the tens. I have 26 plus 32. So, I do 20 plus 30. And I'm going to write that out. 20 plus 30. What does 20 plus 30 equal? Good job! 50! Then the next group I look at is my ones. And I have 6 plus 2. What does 6 plus 2 equal, guys? That's right, 8. So now I'm ready to take those partial sums and add together 50 plus 8. And what does 50 plus 8 equal? Awesome! 58! I think you guys have this strategy down. Way to go! Remember, you're just breaking apart your numbers and adding your tens together, and then adding your ones together, and then adding both of those sums together to find the total sum. Good job, mathematicians.